Blubs Pro is a speech therapy app designed to save you time on session preparation, create engaging therapy experiences, and extend the benefits of therapy to students' homes through digital assignments. Let's explore how Blubs Pro works, cover the main features, and dive into its digital homework. Don't worry if you don't remember everything right away. We've ensured there are plenty of guides throughout the app to support you as you go. Creating an account with Blubs Pro is straightforward. Just enter a few essential details, including your email address and a password, which you'll use to log in. Now it's time to create your first student profile. Blubs Pro allows unlimited personalized profiles, so you can track individual progress and customize sessions for each of your students. Privacy is a priority for us, and Pro requires only minimal student information. You'll just need to enter a nickname, the year and month of birth, which is optional, and choose a profile picture from a set of pre-drawn avatars. There's also an option to add a selfie for a more personalized character, creating an even more engaging experience as their character will appear throughout the exercises in the app. To make sure all features work flawlessly, the app will ask for permissions like microphone, speech recognition, and camera access. We may also ask for notifications permissions. Don't worry, you'll only be alerted when a student connects to your device or when they're practicing at home. With your student profile set up, you have a few options. Create a session, a homework assignment, or a flashcard deck. These features are easily accessible at the bottom of the screen, along with the dashboard for tracking progress. To begin, let's create a session for in-person work before diving into the homework features. To create a session, click on Create Session and give it a name. Let's name this one R Sound in Final Position Practice. Now, we are on the categorization screen, where all exercises are organized by categories like syllable structure, consonant and vowel sounds, syllable count, and even themes designed to keep children engaged. Since we're focusing on the R sound, let's go into consonant sounds, R sound, for a list of all related exercises. You can filter exercises further based on initial, medial, or final sound position, and even select blends, or the vocalic R option in this case. Above the filters, you'll find options for two exercise types, repetition and recognition. In repetition exercises, students are prompted to produce and repeat words. The kid teacher demonstrates correct pronunciation and mouth movement, and Blubs Pro's speech recognition feature confirms it. But don't worry, even if the student is struggling, the app will react to them speaking and provide positive feedback with colorful animations on the screen. We've put a lot of thought into positive reinforcement to keep students encouraged. Repetition exercises end with a rewarding moment, a Snapchat-like filter of the practiced word, making sessions really memorable. Kids absolutely love these. In recognition exercises, the beginning stays the same, but instead of repeating, the student is shown 3 pictures and guesses the one that matches the practice word, turning it into a fun guessing game. Both types of exercises include a short educational video about the practice topic. If you've created a selfie when setting up the student profile, they'll see themselves as the heroes of the story. How fun and engaging is that? Okay, let's continue building our first session by filtering the R sound in the final position. You can add as many exercises as you'd like, check what you've added, and rearrange the order if needed. You'll also see the approximate session time based on the exercises you add. Once you're happy with the setup, you can save the session for future therapy sessions, or start it right away. Flashcard decks are just as easy to set up, with the added benefit of having over 400 digital flashcards in one place. We added a flip feature, allowing animated flashcards to rotate and reveal real-life images of the words. When playing a flashcard deck, you can also manually assess pronunciation with options for incorrect, approximate, or correct below each card. This input is saved automatically in the progress dashboard, eliminating the need for handwritten notes. After a while, you may want to assign educational at-home activities for your students. This is where Blubs Pro truly shines. With our homework feature, you can prepare, assign, and monitor homework for your students. Each student has a unique code. You just tap the banner and share the code, and then parents enter it in the Speech Blubs app on their device to connect with you. Once connected, you can send homework directly to their device. Homework assignments are created in the same way as sessions or flashcard decks, or by simply converting any session into homework with one click. This way, students can continue practicing at home exactly as they did in therapy. Speech Blubs Pro also offers progress monitoring, allowing you to see how students are doing at home, how much they're practicing, on which days, and their progress with each assignment. Progress monitoring captures data from both homework and therapy sessions, offering detailed insights into each student's progress and helping you make well-informed decisions for their therapy plans. With homework and progress monitoring in Speech Blubs Pro, you can forget about searching for, printing, and organizing worksheets for home practice. Last but not least, we've made reporting effortless too. All progress data can be exported with a single click. Simply select Save Report when viewing a student's progress, choose which sessions or homework to include, and a PDF report is generated instantly, complete with all relevant details and any notes you've added. There's even space for a summary at the end, perfect for including in your general reports. We hope this walkthrough has given you a clear picture of how our app can support your therapy sessions, help you stay organized, and provide engaging at-home practice for your students. With Speech Blubs Pro, you're all set to make every session count, both in the clinic and beyond.